Move. I'm gonna get that one.
We believe in you.
Oh!
Have like eyes for a frog. Come on. Wait, she's gonna get this frog. Just grab it. Gotta be fast. Look. Come look at my phone. Look on my phone.
Oh my god, that's a big frog. I can't see where it is.
See that white leaf?
No. Oh, I see. Oh.
That thing is insane. I don't even know what species of frog that is. I've never seen anything like it. Grab him with your hand. You didn't even try. What was that?
No. Uh-oh.
What the heck? They're everywhere. Get him.
That. It's because it knows that I can't get there.
Wait, I'm looking at that one, Hannah.
Wait, show me.
That
Show me the big one. See him now.
Wait.
I don't see the way you guys are talking about.
Look.
Third one.
Look, this is 1,
Okay.
2. Then
All
look.
right. And then 3 over there. I can't even see that one anymore.
No, me either.
Oh, it's right there.
No. Uh-oh.
Wait, keep doing it. See if he'll keep biting it.
No, Jensen, don't. I want to see if it'll get it.
No, it's way too big.
I want to try. Please?
Hold on, I almost got.
No, you want it. What? This is insane. This is absurd. You know you want it, bud.
Here, Hannah.
Ah! Wait.
Use this.
Wait, Hannah. Are you still on the frog?
Yes.
Look, he's got the hook in his mouth.
Okay, get it.
Hook him like that.
Move.
Wait.
No, I want to hook him.
Are you still zoomed in
Yeah.
on this? I've never seen... Wait. You're getting all of this?
Yes.
This can make like a super cool YouTube short. Wait. Come on, just get down to the hook. Oh, wait. Hannah. Stay on him.
Where's the cup?
Come on.
There is literally no way right now.
Hannah, I'll
No,
record.
don't spook it. He wants to eat it.
This
Yeah,
is a
don't
bug lure.
do anything yet.
This is a bug lure.
Oh. No, get him up.
I
Here.
want to.
Wait,
I do.
turn with it, Hannah.
Yeah.
With the pole.
I want to turn. And it's my.
Wait, just a second.
It's my.
I still can't get over it. Hit that. Hurry!
No, it's up to mine.
Oh, there it is.
No way! Mom! Off a house fly lure. I just caught.
Tell him not
Look
to
at
kill
the
it.
stomach on it.
Oh, it's swimming off.
Oh, look how fat it is. There's that tiny.
We made it. We ate a whole bag of chips on the walk, too. I got her a nap to secure it. Grab them with her fingers.
Float on the water. Aww.
Hannah, come nap this one. Okay. No way. You got him.
Don't run, little frog.
Oh, wait, Hannah, he's right there. He's getting away.
Don't run, little frog.
He jumped into the net, guys. Oh, he's getting out.
That's weird.
I'm trying to put you back in the
Check
water.
it hard, not far. No, he's gone.
Oh, look, there's one right here. I haven't even seen this one tonight.
No, let me.
No, catch it with yours. Catch it with yours.
No.
Wait,
1 second.
It's gone. Give me it. Give me it, Jen.
Oh! Got him!
Is that the big one?
No. Not the
was
super.
huge.
He ate it. Wait.
That is the big one.
No. It's a big one. Wait. Wait, let me unhook him.
It's walking itself.
Oh my God,
Wait.
guys.
Wait.
Oh my
He
God.
spit the hook.
Good thing he's in there.
Yeah. Wait. I got one.
Big these.
Guys, we've all gone.
Wait, wait.
Oh my.
I got a frog.
That was a big
I
one.
think he ate it out of frustration, not hunger.
Guys.
That was the big one.
Dude.
This fly lure, it's just a piece of soft plastic molded and painted and run through a hook. And he ate it. Hannah, there's one right here. Jensen, lure. Hannah, you gotta be quick.
You got my.
You got another one.
I got a frog.
It's getting out.
I said not to toss him. Oh, and he's just over there chilling, floating. Really tough position to get to. But I am the master angler. Come on, dude. Eat the fly. Oh. Oh! No way!
Frog!
No way! Wait. He don't like that. Do you want to unhook him? Poor froggy. There.
I just.
This one's highly aggressive.
I've got 3.
Oh.
Yeah, say.
Wait, Jensen, wait. Wait, Hannah.
And I know.
You guys can move. I have him hooked. Put. Wait. I don't even think he bit it. Oh yeah, it's in his bottom jaw. Gotta get him unhooked.
There.
Hannah, scoop that one. And
No,
don't
no,
miss.
no.
Wait,
You're gonna spook the fat one.
just grab.
Yeah.
Where's the super large one?
See my rod bend, Ashton?
What?
I'll grab it for you.
No, I want it. Go.
The box.
He's just kind of chilling.
We will-
Well, we're just gonna rotate around the pond. Keep search on the banks. Hannah, wait, no, go for this one. Hannah, go for that one. I'll go. You get it? Justin's on the big one.
Oh.
I got one biting at it. In a second.
Look at that size difference. I can get a picture.
In like 10 minutes. Where? Oh. Yeah, that one's spooked. I didn't see that. Hurry. This is ridiculous. Oh, no. Grab him. I'll take a picture with him and toss him back. We're just doing catch and release with froggies. Okay, just toss him back. I got a few pictures of you handling it. Be fast, but cautious. Okay, slip.
I got it.
Oh, the ones that are on the ones that are on the shore, harder to get with the rod. So, just net them ones.
I got you with a stick.
Okay, throw them back. Oh, wait, wait, Hannah. Give me the net. Wait. There's another one. There's another one. See him? What? No!
It's still right there,
Where?
I think.
He jumped through the net. What? Grab your net. We'll continue. There's still more. What? I just spooked one with my foot. I was looking this way.
Maybe it's still here.
Because that's a big one. Come on, dude. Crush the fly.
It's almost gonna get it. You caught it in the
Oh,
eye.
wait. Let me net out. Oh, where'd you go? Shoot.
Oh, man.
Dang it. I was down there.
No! No! No!
Bad frog.
It's mine. Okay. I didn't think I was going to be doing this morning when I woke up. I was thinking, wait,
Oh, there's two!
there was
I'll
two.
get this one, you
Okay.
get that one.
No way. Uh-oh. I got him again! I got him again! No,
I'll get
over here. Wait, I want to pick him up. Let me. Wait. How did I pull that off? Look at all the frog eggs. That one literally just jumped up onto the rock.
Where?
See? On the edge of that rock.
Did you see
Oh.
the tongue?
Yeah, it opened for it.
That one swallowed that bad.
Now it's stuck on a tree.
No, I kind of
Oh, this one's super aggressive. Hannah, I have one jumping out of the air for it right now.
Come here. Why are you pulling?
Well,
That's gross.
I just licked my finger. But way more than me.
Uh-uh.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Jensen, move before we get in a tangle. Go check that end. Oh, there. Phew. Oh,
That was easy.
yep. Oh, don't let him get away. Oh. You. Okay, wait. Another one bit the Timu fly. Finally, you've spooked 7 or 8 since the last catch. And you finally got one. That's the first, like, basically anything on a fishing pole, isn't it?
No, just a sunfish.
Huh. You unhook it. Toss him back. See, but
I wouldn't.
it's behind that plant, so it's kind of going to be difficult, but you need to go fast.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Pull him in.
Got it.
Yes, yes. She got it.
Bad frog.
Pinch behind its head to get in front of its shoulders. It don't really hurt it, and it's easier to hold it.
Bad froggy.
Let me see. Look. I have limited battery. My phone died. We caught 0. Spooked 7.
Ashton,
He.
can I get close to nothing?
Hurry. It's a big one. It won't take the fly. Look, see my lure?
Oh.
Did you get him? Of course. Oh,
No, no, no.
I got fast reaction.
Where is he? Hold him up by his hind legs.
Ashton, kill him.